practice reading cladograms for the rest of the day. Looks like we might be able to get out of here early depending on how successful you guys are at reading these, okay? So here we have a cladogram. It is showing us these different organisms up at the top, and all of these bars are connecting them together, okay? Something I really do want to point out to you guys, here's our common ancestor. We have a grid here on time. This is millions of years ago. So this looks like 60 million years ago there was an ancestral primate that was the common ancestor for all of these organisms that we see today. We also have them broken down by monkeys, hominoids or apes, and anthropoids, which makes up all of them. Okay? Every time you see these two bars connecting at a meeting point, such as right here, right here, right here, right here, this meeting point also represents an ancestor of a different species. Did you guys hear me on that one? Okay, again, all of these meeting points represent another common ancestor. This one is just showing you the original, or the OG ancestor you got there at the bottom. Okay. Let's do a quick check and see how you read this. Let me change over your polling and turn off the chat. And let's go ahead and start thinking about this question. At what point in time did the most recent common ancestor between the monkeys and hominoids exist? Just think for a second. I'm going to change over your polling and give you a second to think. And justify their answer real quick. I'd love to see what you guys are thinking. Okay, Jamelyn, you have whiteboard too, so you can point at the graphic and then explain your thoughts.
All right. Can anyone hear me? All right. So
yeah, the chat's off. We can hear you. Sorry.
Right. So I'm lying so I picked the one that was closest to where both monkeys and humans were pretty much recently discovered. So because the timeline is pretty much near 10, I almost likely think that's going to be 8 million years ago because it's going to be less than 10 and not going to be greater than 14. So with this, it's the most closest I could get before with it because there's nothing else that's under 10 from these timelines. So that's my pick to A.
All right. Anyone disagree with Jamelyn and want to jump on and give a different answer and explain? Nobody wants to justify. Okay, so with that said, Jamelyn, I understand exactly what you're saying. This would be the most recent ancestor between chimpanzees and humans, but not between the monkeys and hominoids. So I love that you explained that because we're kind of learning how our thinking needs to change or read this graphic. So anyone who picked A, I want you to start thinking about a different answer, B, C, or D. Does anyone want to jump on who already had B, C, or D and explain why they chose that answer? And don't make me talk. Just take it. Yes, thank you. Okay, Logan, go for it.
As shown on the graph, hominids expands to gibbons, and the last known ancestor to cover both hominids and monkeys separates at C. Oh, so, thank you. At around where? Sorry, C35. Crap. There we go. Around C35. Because if we follow it, it goes to both old world monkeys and to another ancestor that splits between gibbons and orangutans.
Oh, I like that. We still have some people that have selected A. Sorry, I'm going to turn your mic off. Oh, thanks, Logan. We have still some people that have selected A, but A we know is not right. C, we have 35 million years because here's our common ancestor. And if we follow this up, boop, 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 there is this separation between monkeys and hominoids, which is what we're looking for. Logan also explained that the divide can occur kind of up here right, where we have a monkey and a hominoid, but this common ancestor does not belong to one, or this common ancestor, sorry, belongs to hominoids if you follow that line directly up. So we're looking for where that line divides, which is about right here. So yes, the correct answer is C, 35 million